Hey all, in this very short video I'm going to show you how to quickly get started with integrating ID scanning and extraction in web apps with BlinkID SDK. So here we go. In this repo, all you have to do in order to, get your aha moment of how this can actually work super quickly, in this repo, you get to this repo, so you see like, okay, how do I run this repo? So amazing. Of course, if you have Node and Git, and then again, tell me which dev does not, but then again, installing Node and Git is very super simple and quick. So in your terminal, what we're gonna do, you clone this repo by using git clone command. So we're gonna do this, here we go. So I basically just copy pasted this command. So what I did is I cloned this project to my local computer, obviously, and then I'm also going to run this command that does several things. It goes like it enters this folder, then it does npm install, and it does npm run dev, which basically runs the app. So if we do this, and this is going to be done super quickly, and if I open this up, what you're going to see is an error. Why do you get an error? Is because we didn't input the license. So what we first have to do is go to Microblink's Dev Hub. Here, when you sign in, you can sign in with Google account and whatnot. You have to go to Start New Trial, and then what's going to happen? You're going to enter product as BlinkID. Platform in browser, and here for the domain name you have to choose localhost when you're testing locally. When you click generate, then what you're basically going to get is one of the keys, and you're going to see them right here. So this is a trial, and then obviously you go here and you copy this key, which then you have to paste into your license key. Obviously I'm gonna cancel this key out, so don't bother trying to copy paste it. And then if you go here, what you're gonna see, hello, this is me, what you're basically gonna see, this is now immediately working, your camera is working. And just to test this out, this is some demo driver's license that I have, and immediately in the terminal, as you can see, you get a bunch of data out of this. But anyways, here you go. This was, I don't know, I didn't count it, but basically, actually I did. Under 4 minutes from actually running the project and actually getting your aha moment, meaning scanning an ID. So there you have it, under 5 minutes getting this project of ours actually to work. I hope you liked it, and obviously for way more details and for a literally step-by-step process of how this is built, feel free to check out the blog post. Thank you and see ya.